Normally in your SP newsletter system, you'll only send out to one group of users, but as you get more advanced, you may actually want, two or three groups. But it's not as easy as in a normal email client, and there's a number of reasons for that. Users have to be able to unsubscribe themselves from your list. And to do that, it means that it actually has to be a different template. I'll show you what that is shortly, and that's actually a requirement by law, so it has to work this way. So the first thing you do is you go into SP Newsletter. Normally, if you've had this set up by us, you've only got one newsletter in there. So if I go Edit Template on the right over here, you'll just see one template. This client has a number of them because they send out to multiple users. So if we wanted to add a new one, or in your terms, it would be a new email list, but in the SP newsletters terms, it's actually a whole new template. So we click New Templates, and you'll see over here you've got a template that you can choose from. With every SP newsletter system, you get one new basic template from us. We can make you a bunch of custom ones if you want to that look different. Just contact us and we'll quote for that. But in most cases, you'll just use the default one. So you'll see down below that there's a bunch of blank fields, and you don't really need to worry about that. All you need to do is click Select, and what that does is it fills up all of those bits with all of the code that you don't need to know about. All you need to do is give it a title. So I've just been sent a new list, this one over here, seminar attendees. So that's what I'll call this template, seminar attendees. Oops. And then we'll just go straight down the bottom. You can put a description in if you like to, because when somebody goes to unsubscribe, they'll be able to read and see what newsletter they're subscribed to and unsubscribe from it. Don't worry about the redirect URL thing for now. Just scroll down to the bottom. You'll need to make it visible to everyone, because if they can't view it, then they won't be able to unsubscribe from it. And then click Save Newsletter. So now that we've got that new template, I know I showed this to you in the last video, but what I'll do is I'll go and add some users to it. So here's my new template. I want to add some users. I find it easier just to cut and paste users into this area here, first name, comma, then email address. So if I go back over here and I go Control A to select all, then Control C to copy, then back to the previous window, Control V to paste, fills all of that in, click Submit, and it shows all the users that it just added. And then if I go back to the top right hand side of the page and click on subscribers, I can see that my new newsletter now has 29 subscribers. So let's say we want to send a message to all of those people. Just click on Add Edit Newsletter, and of course it's going to be under here. We want a new one under Seminar Attendees, and then we'll begin our newsletter like we did in the very first video tutorial.